Well, hello everyone. Here on this side right here, there's the Alibaba crankcase. Still has the original crank that came with it. I just decided to use my new Farmertech crankcase to put my full circle crank. We'll talk about that here in a second. There's some things I did not like about this Alibaba case. Was lucky enough I was planning on tearing apart because that seal is way too far deep in there. It's all the way up against the bearing. This one was about right, and instead of pretty much using this case, I just decided it'd be a lot faster for me just to use my new Farmertech cases. They were a lot cleaner, less cleaning to do, and I just put good bearings and seals and everything in it, so it's all good to go. But there's the full circle crank that Brennan built me, which once again awesome. But so we'll just kind of set that off to the side for right now. One thing I did want to bring to your guys' attention, if you guys ever get one of these Alibaba 372 clones or counterfeit saw, depending on whatever you want to say about it, is these cylinders are garbage. Briscoe had the same issue with his. You can take pretty much a blunt screwdriver, and I don't know if you guys can see it. We'll see if we can get it in camera here. A blunt screwdriver, you see right down in there, and you can scratch the plating like it's nothing. Like it's nothing, and it leaves a nice line and everything else in there. I can sit here and play tic-tac-toe. Garbage. And the sad thing about it is the ports don't look half bad. Everything about it looks pretty nice. But that plating is garbage. So that kind of stinks. So at least we're not using that cylinder anyway, but I kind of wanted to give you guys a nice video of how far I've came on this project. And if you guys have any questions or anything, leave a comment down below, and I'll answer them to the best I can. Thank you guys.